I've also heard recently about public shaming. So that's a big one, public shaming. Humiliation, belittling someone's work, making fun of them or embarrassing them in front of others. Sabotage or interference, undermining someone's work or not giving them credit or interfering with their tasks. And social exclusion, isolating an employee from workplace activities, conversations, and opportunities. And spreading rumors, gossip, and innuendo that harms a person's reputation. And again, we'll talk about gossip in one of the future Workers' Tuesdays. Workers' Justice Tuesdays, using threatening or intimidating behaviors. All right. So I have three. Do I have three? I have three scenarios. I also have a circle dialogue for a circle group. I'm going to go through that with this one. All right. So bullying. All right. Verbal mockery. That idea is ridiculous. Do you ever think before you speak? If someone said that to me, employee feels humiliated in front of peers. Boundary setting. I'd appreciate it if feedback focused on idea, not me personally. That idea is ridiculous. Do you ever think before you speak? Heart's racing because that was horrible, rude, ugly, mean thing to say. And now I'm defensive because who wouldn't be? I'd appreciate it if feedback focused on the idea, not me personally. Can you share what specifically doesn't work in the idea so I can improve it? And then, of course, document it. Document what just happened in any way, form, manner you can. All right. So the circle dialogue looks like this. The supervisor says, that idea is ridiculous. The employee says, I feel belittled when feedback is framed that way. A colleague says, I noticed the tone. It made me uncomfortable too. Pause. How does public ridicule affect trust and participation?